Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show. Wednesday, February 15, 2017. The markets are up still, stable for the moment, with 40.14 on Nasdaq, 76 on the Dow Jones, and 46 on the TSX. And now it's getting very, very quiet. I don't know how long this can last because it's always the same reason that makes the market going up. Yesterday's a speech from Janet Yellen and Donald Trump that keeps talking about tax reduction, and so it seems like it's giving some momentum to the market, and it's about always the same thing. So we don't know what's going to happen so far, and there was quite a few things today in the news. So bizarre movement from stocks that had good earnings, and we don't really know what to think about that. It's not explainable. Like PepsiCo from 116 to 120, the stock's doing nothing. Hilton neither, but there will be a breakout here at 60 bucks. It would be interesting, but it's not done. And Express Script don't move. SodaStream is still going up on good earnings, 230 cents to 71. Lending Club has a better result with -3 to -2, but still the stock goes down. And look at AIG, you know, the largest insurance company, came out with a very horrible earnings. They were expecting plus $1.16, and they got minus $2.96. Sales haven't been reported. And Tech Resources has a good earning too, 148 to 161, 66% increase in the revenue. That's a little bit bizarre, and it's probably because of acquisition or something. I just can't figure out how tech could have a 66% increase in sales. And but the stock is on its support with despite this good number, and also at the crossing of the upper trend line. So past that, there will be a short-term sell signal, and the long-term trend will be reversed at 25 bucks. Pan American Silver, 13 cents to 18 cents. The stock goes down anyway. And Shopify is breaking out once more on its earning. Yeah, they were expecting minus 2 cents. They got 0. The PDG of the CEO of Twitter said that he has bought $7 million of Twitter share, trying to demonstrate how confident he is about the company. And Procter and Gamble here is on a very strong upward movement because Nelson Peltz of Trian Capital has taken a participation of $3.5 billion in Procter and Gamble, and sources has declared that the company has not finished yet to increase its position. So. And after that, BlackBerry has filed a complaint against Nokia, and this says that they are kind of violating 11 of their patent, and Nokia is not moving on this too. And Terra Technology still very, very strong. They have announced a new study result of phase 3 for ibalizumab, whatever it does. It's about AIDS, and I don't know. I don't understand the news anyway, but it's very positive. I know many people has that stock. In the French show, there was a couple of dozen of people that have it. And if you have taken profit on it, just let it go, you know. And it still has a lot of momentum. So I mean, as long as you have reduced the position and taken some profit, you know, just hold on to it. Please open the question bar. And we'll go around this market. See USO. Look at USO here. Okay, so we are waiting for this signal to come, and it never shows up. And so far, you know, look on the daily basis, it's like that. It's over there. So no matter what happened, until it goes under 11 or towards 12. There won't be any signal there. And the oil stock are near reversing their trend, but it's not done yet. We're going to the break.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
And now let's check the gold. The gold is still very much sideways. Have not reversed the uptrend. We are there would be some sort of a buy signal here. Whenever we need one more push. Right now it's it's a bottom condition. But you know, this morning, you know, here we were close to a breakdown, and now we are close to a breakout. It's very hard to know what's going to happen on the gold right now. The longer you look at it, and the more difficult it is, you know. So what is it? Is it the end of this pullback, or we will have a longer term reversal there. And that's where we are. And the mining are under a correction today. Not the big stock. The steel stocks still hold on, but it does not really look good on tech at the moment because the stock has failed and fallen onto the previous bottom of the 8 and 9, February 9. And look, if it breaks down here, we're going to go to 27 bucks. So and we'll come back to Northern Dynasty, but you know, First Quantum does the same. So the copper stocks are doing a correction, testing a very important support, while the steel stocks are still very strong, not much correction. Only the small one does, and that's what worries me a little bit, because even though the big stock are strong, those three stocks like Champion, New Millennium, and Alderon the three of them are showing a negative peak there. So indicating that the bullish momentum seems to be over for a while, because what we are beginning here is what we had. This is the same pattern that we had here that ended up being this. So this is the potential movement also over the next few weeks. I think it's going to stay for quite a long period, in between 60 and 70, around that. And in the Afria broke out 3 days ago, and it's still on the move. Now it has raised enough so everyone can take a profit if you bought on the early movement right here in between 560 and 570. That was the first day, and it's still going up. We have two bullish cycle in the row today, and over that, look, even the trend is in acceleration right now. So take some profit, but hold on the rest of the position. Joe Anna is talking about PLE, PLY, and Joe says it's a go. Okay, she said, Anna said, hello Michel, yesterday in the French show you were saying that it's worth buying PLE after it passes its resistance of 235. Yes, this is part of what I said. And today it happened, but the signal on Guru was 2 days ago. Of course, we had the signal on Market Gurus 2 days ago, because let me get on the stock, PLY, because it's 2 days ago that the first signal happened right there. Okay, so we have declared the new bullish cycle there. But what I was saying yesterday, I also said, yes, at 240 or 235, we would have a buy signal there. But I also said something else. I also said that since the movement went from there to there, and after there to there, so the stock, has made some increase already. So my plan for what I was saying is the best signal would happen if the stock would have go sideways for a couple of days and then begin a new bullish cycle here at this level. And it's not what happened. So what happened is that the stock continued is first is momentum there. So actually it was to like 28 the first movement, and since we did not have the sideways movement followed by the beginning of a new one, so we are now at the third days of this bullish cycle. So you see, so this is today's movement, but it started here and then there and then there. So we have got from 220 to 230, which is 60%, 30%. So or 15%, sorry. And right now it's coming down. So if it comes back down here for the day, we would have, I think that what can happen is now that we can have maybe this sideways movement at this level. So, you know, no matter what I said, what I said is what you remember the price, but you did not remember the theory, which was supposed to be here, and then begin a new bullish cycle there. But what happened is the stock continued going up, and now I think it's going to build this a new sideways movement like this here, under 255. So now it makes, if it's going sideways that way, and then if it begins a new cycle, now it's going to be 260. Okay, GK, what's your question? Your question is a blank. Okay, so and that's all I have for the question right now. So you know, it's a market that showing now a top on consumer discretionary. I don't know why it's Manitoba Telecom. That's all. The other stocks are not moving that much. I don't know what happened on Manitoba Telecom, but the stock rose to that point and is responsible of the movement. So the financials keep maintaining their bullish cycle, so hold on to your position. The industrials are also, instead of coming back down like it did the other time, now it keeps going up, but it's because of Canadian Pacific, mostly because CNR and Canadian National Railways has stopped already. But you have a sell signal here today on Transcontinental. And we have a nice movement from Chorus Aviation, with the volume is increasing because it's equal to the last a few days volume, and we're only half at the half day in the process. And look at CAE. I don't know what happened with the stock, but the stock has surged so much, and is only also one responsible. And also, look who's making a new breakout here is Superior Plus. Kelly, okay, one more question here. Kelly, that came out at the last second. Okay, oh, that's an OTCBB stock. So it's it's on venture.
I talked about the one
Also, oh, okay, Kelly, K-L-E. Okay, so oh yeah, that's the new stock. Yeah, that they're the one that make painkillers about from some stuff that they find in the cannabis, but they're not a cannabis grower. And right now there was a signal on it yesterday, and now it is calm. Next signal is at 60 cents going up. And this movement would consider be reversing if the stock goes down to 50 cents. Thank you very much for attending, everyone. Have a great day.